Hey guys, Kirsten here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Behind me there is one of our last 2019 Ram 3500s, so let's take a peek. So up at the front there is tons of chrome on this one, the chrome grille, the chrome bumper that has the park sensors in it. You do have the black tow hooks. There is the 360 camera on this one that gives you the camera here as well as on the two mirrors and at the back. Underneath the hood of this one there is the 6.7 liter Cummins. So along the side you do have the chrome accents on the door handle. It does have the keyless entry. This is the camera that I was talking about for the 360 camera, and then you do have the flip up tow mirrors. So at the back here you do have the chrome accents. You have it in the handle, the badging, and the bumper. The bumper does have the backup sensors built right into it. You have your hitch receiver, your 4 and 7 pin wiring, your backup camera is built into your handle. It is the soft open tailgate, and it does have the spray and bed liner. So on the inside, this one does have full leather seats that are heated and cooled. It does have a heated steering wheel. There is tons of storage in this one in the two center consoles, as well as the piece that slides around. It does have the two glove boxes in here. It has the 8.4-inch touchscreen. You can see your backup camera, and you can change the view to show you a bunch of different ones. As well, if you put it in reverse, it does show you a top view. This one does have the AISIN transmission. It does have an upgraded stereo system to the Alpine. It has a sunroof and a power sliding back window. So in the back it is a crew cab. You have tons of leg room. You do have the full leather back here. These seats do flip up for tons of storage underneath. There is a sub on the underside of that seat. This piece does flip out to make the bed nice and flat. And then in the middle section here, you do have a couple cup holders. So this truck is a steal. We are advertising it for $15,000 off MSRP. If you're interested in 30+ pictures and pricing, click the link below. If you're interested in any other vehicle on our lot, give us a call, 780-942-3629.